are vulnerable to heartache and loss, so easily damaged and broken. We are all made in the image of God, beautifully, painfully human. We are vulnerable. We are born with a cry on our lips, completely dependent on our mother. In our old age we slip back into weakness, and we live at the mercy of another. We are vulnerable to heartache and loss, so easily damaged and broken. We are all made in the image of God, beautifully, painfully human. We are vulnerable. Some will claim to be a rock and an island, trying not to come undone. But underneath their titanium armor, their heart is like wax in the sun. We are vulnerable to heartache and loss, so easily damaged and broken. We are all made in the image of God, beautifully, painfully human. We are vulnerable. We are so insecure and anxious. We medicate to cope with our lives. On our houses we put cameras and locks, and we arm ourselves with guns and knives. We are vulnerable to unkind words. Nothing stings quite like betrayal. The rage we feel, it keeps us alive, not realizing we are in jail. We are vulnerable to heartache and loss, so easily damaged and broken. We are all made in the image of God, beautifully, painfully human. We are vulnerable.